Namaste. My name is Dr. Gaurav Agrawal. I'm the instructor at AstroSchool by Indian Chemistry Institute. Today in this small video, I will explain you how you can utilize our AstroSchool app on the web. Means if you can use it on a laptop or computer or not. Yes, this application you can download from the Google Play Store, install it on your computer, and you can utilize it also on your desktop computer. In reality, it is very easy to utilize AstroSchool app on your desktop, and it will make it convenient if you are learning by our video courses. For this, you simply need to open this website web.classplusapp.com. Our AstroSchool app is created by Class Plus app, so you need to utilize this website by them. Here on the ORG code, organization code, you need to write in capital letters AQXKN. If you are utilizing it first time, or if you already registered it, then you need to put your mobile number here. Then simply you say proceed securely. Now here it will ask you login again. Or you can log in via email, whichever way you like. If you have already registered it, then you need to use the same source, maybe mobile number or maybe email address. You will get an OTP. You just put the OTP here and you are set to go. If you have already purchased a video course by AstroSchool platform, then you will be able to see it and watch it from there. This will make your learning process more convenient and interesting. You will be able to watch all the videos, all the course on the big screen. I wish it was clear. If you had any problem, you can give me a call or you can WhatsApp me on the number 93585499482. It is also given in this video's information things. Thank you very much.